Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. I have a really cute, it's very simple project, and that is these pinatas that you can give out as party favors. You guys, these are super, super cute. Yes, they do have candy in it. Um, it's just a pinata. But you guys, super cute. I actually end up making these probably about a week ago, whenever the night before Valentine's Day was. My daughter wanted to give these out to her friends, so we actually made some heart-shaped ones and put some, her cards and things down the side of it, and she passed them out to her friends. Did not record it because, you guys, let me tell y'all, she had a lot of friends, okay? And it took a long time, and Mama was irritated. I was so over the project. But this time, you guys, I love how these things turned out. You can do these for any event. Get super creative with it. These are just examples that I did. I just wanted to show you guys, and you don't really need nothing major to make these. So let's go ahead and get into the project. Alright, you guys, you're going to need cardstock paper. This is thicker than regular paper. And you're going to need to take some of this and cut up into 2-inch strips, as I have right here. Of course, you're going to need crepe paper and the color of, your choice. And you can either draw the shape that you want your piñata to be on paper, or do what I did. I just went on ahead and printed it out. And of course, you're going to need scissors because you got to cut it out. And then you can use a glue gun, regular glue, tape to put the crepe paper on your project. So I think that's it. So let's go ahead and get started.